Take one.
The holidays are here, and what better way to celebrate than baking some holiday-themed cookies, right?
Cut. Take two.
Today we'll be making roll-out butter cookies. They're so easy, you can do it without any help at all. I didn't mean it that way.
Cut.
Are we good? First, we'll cream together the butter and sugar. Add in the eggs and vanilla and mix them until well combined. Why don't we have you do the mixing? Can we fix this in editing? In a separate bowl, mix together the dry ingredients. Flour, baking soda. Could you please pass me the salt? You know that's bad luck. Not that this was going all that well anyway. Quick, throw some over your shoulder. After you mix the dry and wet ingredients together, refrigerate the dough for 1 hour. Next, you can start rolling the dough. Wow, this is going really well.
Cut.
What?
Take 74.
Now we're ready for the cookie cutters. To get the most out of the dough, make sure to start around the edges. Well done! Those look beautiful. Place the cookies in the oven for 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Could you hand me an oven mitt? After the cookies have cooled comes the fun part. You can decorate them any way you want. That's probably good. That's good. These can be yours. On behalf of all of us at Geneseo, we'd like to wish you a warm and joyful holiday season. Eat up! What do you mean you're on a diet?